So, it says to write the equation so that y is a function of x, but all that means is solve for y. So get y by itself. So, and nothing to plug back in. So 12 is 5x plus 4y is equal to 10. So if I want to get y by itself, I am going to try to move everything else over away from it. So to start out, I'm going to subtract the 5x. So I'll have 4y is equal to negative 5x plus 10. And I'm writing it with the x first and then the term with no variable on it. I'm writing it like that for a reason. That'll make more sense when we get to the next chapter. So then I still need y by itself, so I need to divide by 4. So I'm going to divide each piece over here by 4. So then y is equal to negative 5 over 4 times x plus 10 and 4 can reduce to 5 over 2. So we have y is equal to negative 5 over 4x plus 5 over 2. Let's see. 14. Got 18x minus 2y equals 26. So I'm solving for y. So what do I need to do first? Subtract 18x. So we have negative 2y is equal to negative 18x plus 26. Now what?
Divide 2 on each side.
Negative 2?
Yes.
Yep, divide negative 2 from everything. So then y is equal to negative 18 divided by negative 2. That's going to be positive 9x. And then 26 divided by negative 2 would be negative 13. Let's see. (16) we have 8x minus 8y is equal to 5. So what would I need to do first with this one?
Subtract 8x.
Subtract 8x. So that leaves me with negative 8y is equal to negative 8x plus 5. Then what?
Divide 8 on all sides.
Negative 8?
Yeah, right.
Yep. So divide negative 8 from everything. So y is equal to negative 8 divided by negative 8 is positive 1, so that's just x. And then 5 divided by negative 8 is just minus 5 over 8. All right, one more of those. Number 18. 3 plus 6x equals 11 minus 4y. So what do you think I need to do with this one? Because I need y by itself.
So, add 4y? Or?
Well, I want to get y by itself, so I don't want to move it over. No, because that puts it with the y.
Maybe add 11?
Not add.
Subtract.
Subtract 11. Okay, I want to get this by itself, so I need to get rid of all the numbers over here. So I'm going to subtract 11. So 3 minus 11 is negative 8 plus 6x is equal to negative 4y. And if you really want, I can flip this so that it's written the other way. if you like your variable on the other side. So then I can divide by the -4 from everything. So y is equal to -8 divided by -4 is +2. And then 6 divided by -4, that's just going to reduce down. So that's going to be -3/2 times x. And it's technically okay to leave it that way. I've just been writing the other ones out that way for, anyways. But it's fine to leave it like this. It's not wrong if you don't write it in this order. I just was doing that because when we get to graphing next chapter, it'll be in that order. So. Let me see. Okay, so the last thing is rewriting a formula. And so basically if it gives you a formula like this, it says the volume of a rectangular prism has the formula V is equal to L times W times H. So those are all variables, and it says to solve for W. So what's happening to all these variables right here?
They're being multiplied.
They're being multiplied. So if I just want W left, what do I need to do? Like if I want W by itself.
Would you divide?
So I'm going to divide by L and H on both sides. So that just leaves me with W, and I'm going to write it on the left because, I like what I'm solving for to be on the left. So W equals, and then it's just V divided by L times H. Like that. And that's it.
Oh. That's really confusing. What does that say?
All right, and then 22, it says, actually, scratch that. I'm going to do 21, and I'm going to give you 22 for homework. Because 21 is much harder. Surface area of a prism is S is equal to 2B plus PH. And it says to solve for H. So if I want this H by itself, what would be the first thing that I need to do?
Divide P.
Can't do that yet. So think back to like this problem up here. Yep, so I'm going to subtract first because I can't divide yet because I can't take it out of everything. So I'm going to subtract 2b. So I have S minus 2b is equal to P times H. Now what do I do?
Divide P.
Yep, divide by P. So S minus 2b divided by P is equal to H. Any questions about those, solving, anything? Okay with those? All right, so I don't even know if did I even assign you problems yesterday? I don't think I did.
No.
Okay, cool. So we're not going to do those. All right, you're going to do 11 through 19 odd, and then number 22.